Hey, we're here at Woody's at the fair, 2011 North Carolina State Fair, and we're debuting a new item this year. It is deep fried chicken pot pie, and it's in an empanada style pastry with carrots and onions and gravy and chicken. And it's delicious, and it's that warm southern goodness, comfort food that everybody needs to come out and try.
Still waiting for it to cool down, but I'm gonna try it.
You got me doing it.
Good. There's corn and peas in here. Some onions. The chicken's good. It's very good.
You get a little bit of resistance when you bite, but not too firm. Chicken's good. Good flavor. Yeah, be good for a cold day. Fair weather.
It's really tasty. I mean, it's a portable pot pie is what it is. So if you like chicken pot pie, you're gonna love these things.